Today in this video I will show you the plants that I love keeping as house plants to decor my home, and also these plants are very beautiful and attractive for me, and they are low maintenance and permanent. So let's see the plants list that is really very beautiful as home decor. Lucky bamboo plant, a beautiful trending house plant, beautiful home decor plant. You can keep it in a corner and they grow from stems and do love the partial to medium sunlight to grow. Next beauty is the spider plant for your home decor. They are really very easy to grow and also they prefer the shade. Spider plants grow well in the shade and also low maintenance and permanent. Only thing is you can do a mist spray in the morning to keep the plant moistured. Large leaf pothos plants are also beautiful house plants. You can grow them with no effort. So this is another beautiful house plant which you can grow simply by stem cuttings. They also love the semi-shade and also they are air purifiers. Next you can keep these beautiful aloe vera plants which are medicinal and also a great way to decor your home. ZZ plant, another beautiful trending house plant which you can grow very simply by a single leaf or a stem cutting. Next beautiful house plants are these beautiful pedilanthus or the devil's backbone. You can keep it to decorate your home because they are variegated and also looking attractive. You can decor your home with rubber plants. They are big leafy plants. Add some variegated leafy pandanus plants in your house plants collection. They are also very attractive. Erica palm, one of the trending house plants. A very attractive plant and also very low maintenance and permanent. One of the best house plants. Snake plants, another trending house plant, one of my favorite too. Low maintenance and a air purifier too.